Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix this site can't be reached error in your Google Chrome browser while browsing on it. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to make sure that there is no proxy enabled in our LAN. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. You will find internet options under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Here in the internet properties window, you'll find the connections tab. Click on that. You'll find the local area network LAN settings. Click on LAN settings. And here you'll find automatically detect settings. Make sure the button is checked. Use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is unchecked or do not check this option. Click on OK. And then click on apply. Click on OK. And for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, simply type these commands that I will be sharing in the description section of this video. First command is ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space forward slash release. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space forward slash renew. Hit enter. And for the last command is netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Now type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Now here you need to look for your connection. You could be connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. All you have to do is make a right click and then you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. This is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Now you have to click on OK, close this windows. And after that, just need to open your Chrome browser again. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.